Students, today we will discuss the topic unit of fundamental unit of life, cells. In previous video we discussed the introduction and discovery. Today we discuss the cell theory. Cell theory. Cell theory is proposed by two scientists, M.J. Skelton and Theodore Swan. M.J. Skelton is a botanist and Theodore Swan is a zoologist. A German scientist, a British scientist. In 1838, M.J. Skelton explained and his experiments on large number of plants, and then he explained that all plants are made up of fundamental unit or cells. Theodore Swan, the zoologist, in 1839, he explained his experiment on animals, and he explained that, or he delivered that all animals are made up of cells. प्लांट को लेके से एक्सपेरिमेंट करथिले एमजे स्केलेटन, एनिमल को लेके एक्सपेरिमेंट करथिले थियोडर स्वन. Theodore Swan again explained that all organism cells of all organism, that means plants and animals, are bounded by a layer. That layer present day we call that plasma membrane. And also he explained that Swan से animal को नहीं परीक्षा करती ले, animal को all animals are made up of cells, and cells of all organisms are bounded by a layer, a plant cell or animal cell. Present day cell layer को मैं कहूँ से plasma membrane. Again he described another layer is present in plant cell only, that is present day we call that cell wall. Swan कौन कहले ना animal cells made up of cells. Cells of all organisms are bounded by a layer, present we call that plasma membrane. Another extra layer is present in plant cell. That is called nowadays we call that cell wall. So present the plant cell, this is the most important character, but to difference between the plant cell and animal cells. Plant cells have the outer cell wall covering, but animal cells has no cell wall covering. Then Theodore Swan proposed a hypothesis. That hypothesis was all organisms are made up of cells and cell products. cell and cell products. But ये दी जन साइंटिस्ट गोटे ड्रॉबैक रखिदेले गोटे लाकुना रखिदेले तुम ये जो थ्योरी ये जहाँ कहले याकू सी जो थेसिस रे प्रूव कले ताको हमें कहले सेल थ्योरी कौन कहले सेल थ्योरी बट they did not explain how the cell is originated, how the new cell is originated. नुआ सेल केमिते नुआ बाहर से सृष्टि होची से एक्सप्लेन को फेल मिले से एक्सप्लेन करि पार नथे. Then another scientist R. Virchow explained that every new cells are arise from pre-existing cells. Every new cells are arise from pre-existing cells. That is also called omnis cellulae is cellulae. Linear theory, that's called linear theory. So Rudolf Virchow explained that every new cells are arise from pre-existing cells because every cell has a capacity to divide. It divides, then new cells arise. So every new cells arise from pre-existence by cell division. So this observation of Rudolf Virchow, it is added in the cell theory of Skelton and Scott. And then R. Virchow gave the complete shape of cell theory. जहाँ लाकुना थिला एमजी सिलेटन एंड स्कॉट रो जो लाकुना थिला आर विचो ताकू पूर्ण कले सी ये एक्सप्लेन करि पर नथिले न्यू सेल्स केमिति ओरिजिनेट होउछ कि आर विचो एक्सप्लेन कर देले जब सेल डिवीजन माध्यम रे न्यू सेल ता पूर्व सेल रो ही प्रस्तुत होउछ. सो ही गेव आर विचो गेव कंप्लीट shape of cell theory and that is called modern cell theory. Modern cell theory. Okay. So cell theory जो प्रिंसिपल जो आधार थिला जहाँ सब प्रिंसिपल थिला सेगुड़ को जदि आमे देखिबा ताहले all organisms are made up of cells. ये गोटे थिला प्रिंसिपल. all cells are chemically and physiologically same. ସବୁ organism, that means plant cell, animal, all organisms are made up of cells. That is the fundamental unit of life. Next, new cells are arise from pre-existing cell. Pre-existing means जो सेल पूर्व अच्छी से तो ही नुआ सेल तैयार हुए बाय द थ्रू द प्रोसेस ऑफ सेल डिवीजन. नेक्स्ट इज फंक्शन ऑफ ऑर्गेनिज्म इज सम टोटल function of cells. गोटे ऑर्गेनिज्म रो फंक्शन कहा पर निर्भर करुच्ची ना क्यूमुलेटिव इफेक्ट ऑफ ऑल सेल्स ता पर निर्भर करुच्ची गोटे ऑर्गेनिज्म रो लाइफ exist in cell, then genetic material are stored in cell. Growth of organism depends on growth of cells. All are the modern principles of modern cell theory. Then we will go to the different shape of cells. Different shape of cells. सेल रो विभिन्न प्रकार रो शेप रो सेल मध्ये अछि इरेगुलर शेप कॉल अमीबा यदि ह्यूमन को देखिबा हमर इरेगुलर शेप होछि डब्ल्यूबीसी व्हाइट ब्लड corpuscle. Some cells are like this. This is smooth muscle fiber. And another some shape, different shape like chonocytes. This is present in Porifera. Porifera phylum ro chonocytes. Next, some cells like this is flame cells. Flame cell is activities as excretory organ and platyhelminthes phylum. Then some rectangular like shape cell, that is skeletal muscle cell. Skeletal muscle cell. Then cell looks like this. This is nerve cell. Nerve cell is the longest cell in our human body, longest cells. And some cells like this is cuboidal cells. Cuboidal cells. So human cells and plant cell को जब देखिबा guard cells, stomata or guard cells, तो जो पढ़ी stomata guard cell, that is a kidney cell. Kidney set in dicot plant. In monocot plant, this is Dumble set. Guard cells, this is a dicot, it a monocot. Dicot and monocot. In RBC of cells, that is biconcave denucleated. This is RBC of a human being. But in frog, this is like this. Here nucleus is present. That is RBC of frog. In looks at bacteria को देखिबा, some bacterial cells like this. This shape of bacteria को हमें कहते हैं bacillus. some bacteria shape is comma like vipro shape, and some bacteria looks like that's called spirulum. So all are different shape of cells. तमे बही को फॉलो करिवो आहुरी विभिन्न प्रकार रो शेप रो सेल अछि तमे देखि. Then next we'll discuss size of cell. Size of cells. Size of cell. Smallest cell is PPLO or mycoplasma. PPLO means pneumonia like organism or mycoplasma. This is the smallest cells. This measure is 0.1 nanomicron to 0.3 nanomicron. This is the smallest cells. तुमको क्वेश्चन आसीबो नीट रे प्राय क्वेश्चन आसे विथ द राइट द स्मॉलेस्ट सेल दैट इज माइकोप्लास्ट. जदि पचारिबो क्वेश्चन व्हाट इज द व्हिच इज द स्मॉलेस्ट सेल having cell wall, that answer will be bacteria, because mycoplasma has no cell wall. But in bacteria, cell wall present. In bacteria, cell wall present. तो the cell wall थाई के smallest cell कोटा ना bacteria. तो without cell wall, तो cell wall को नहीं तो हम पचारती which cell is the smallest cell, that is mycoplasma. Okay, or PPL, pneumonia. Cells. Largest cell. Egg of ostrich. Egg of ostrich is largest cell. Then we will discuss the type of cells. Prokaryotic and eukaryotic. Karyotic means nucleus. Pro means primitive. Eu means advanced. Karyotic means nucleus. So prokaryotic cell means primitive nucleus cells or primitive cells. Here prokaryotic cell is small cells. This is comparatively larger cells. Eukaryotic cells are larger cells, a small size cells. In prokaryotic cell, nucleus is not organized, but in eukaryotic cell, nucleus is organized cells. Organized cells means the cell has nucleus, or within the nucleus genetic materials are present, or DNA and bounded by nuclear membrane. But in prokaryotic cell, the genetic materials are open, no nuclear membrane. nuclear membrane. And here the genetic materials are present in scattered in cytoplasm. This is called nucleoid. This is called nucleoid. Nuclear means the nucleus is not organized and the genetic materials are open in or scattered in cytoplasma. That type of nucleus is nuclear. Prokaryote ये को कहा जाए nuclear. But in eukaryotic cells, the nucleus, within the nucleus, genetic materials are present and it is bounded by nuclear membrane, that is called organized or true nucleus or true nucleus. True nucleus. Next, no bounded wall membrane bounded cell organelles. No membrane bounded cell organelles, but in eukaryotic present. Membrane bounded cell organelles means endoplasmic reticulum, mitochondria, lysosome, Golgi bodies, all are the cell organelles. कोषो अंगिका जहाँ को कहूच लेयर बाउंडेड अर्थात चारिपटे प्लाज्मा मेम्ब्रेन द्वारा कवर होते सेल ऑर्गेनेल गुड़िक that is present in eukaryotic cells but in absent in prokaryotic cell, but only one cell organelle is present in prokaryotic cell. That cell organelle is called ribosome. Because ribosome has no covering wall, no unit membrane, and in prokaryotic cell 70S ribosome is present. 70S ribosome is present, but in eukaryotic both 70S and 80S. एटा तुमको कहिबी सेल ऑर्गेनेल पढ़ेला राइबोसोम रो टाइप्स ऑफ राइबोसोम्स कहिबी. नेक्स्ट पॉइंट प्रोकैरियोट जो देखिबा एग्जांपल हमें का करबा ना बैक्टीरिया. सो दिस इज द प्रिमिटिव सेल्स. प्रथमे जेतबेले सेल सृष्टि हला दैट इज प्रोकैरियोटिक थिला, देन इवोल्यूशन हला परे ए एडवांस सेल यूकैरियोटिक सेल सृष्टि हिस. बैक्टीरिया यूकैरियोट रो जो एग्जांपल नबा में का नबा ना प्लांट्स, एनिमल्स, फंजाई एक्सेट्रा. सो प्लांट्स जदि प्लांट टोटल किंगडम को देखिबा, जदि हमें ऑर्गेनिज्म किंगडम को देखिबा ताले हम केते प्रकार पांचटा किंगडम हमें पढ़ीचे. पांचटा किंगडम पढ़ीचे. रॉबर्ट व्हिटकर कहिथिले कोन कोन ना मोनेरा, प्रोटिस्टा, फंजाई, प्लांटी, एनिमल. इन मोनेरा ऑल बैक्टीरिया आर इंक्लूडेड. हम पढ़ीचे बैक्टीरिया जेते सब बैक्टीरिया दैट इज इंक्लूडेड इन मोनेरा. बट fungi is eukaryotic cell. Animals, that is included in Animalia. Plants included in Plantae kingdom. Another Protista also included in eukaryotic type. Protista. So this is all about हमें difference को हमें देखिले. ये है primitive cells type, this is the advanced type. न्यूक्लियस को लेके को सेल प्रिमिटिव प्रोकैरियोटिक, को सेल यूकैरियोटिक. Again another difference are also there. The genetic materials is DNA is naked DNA. Naked DNA means no histone protein. But in DNA eukaryotic type ro DNA consists of histone protein. So then again the prokaryotic DNA is circular, there is a helical structure. So this is all about the types of cells, prokaryotic and eukaryotic. Then I will discuss the in the base of the number of cells. Number of cells. According to number of cells को लेके कौन तीन टाइप रो कितने टाइप यूनिसेलुलर organism, multicellular organism. Unicellular organism means the organism made up of one cell in many cells. Body is made up of many cells. Next, within the one cell, all the life process are carried out. Within the one cell, all the life process or metabolic process, all the life process carried on by one cell. But here, for many functions, different specific cells are involved. Blood circulation by heart pain, ये कितने cell responsible. Excretive product remove करे पे kidneys, ये कितने cell responsible. So this is different. But unicellular रे all the process, excretion, digestion, respiration, all the life processes are carried by one cell, within the one cell. But multicellular organism रे different function by different specialized cells are involved. Next is in unicellular cells जदि इंजुरी हुए बा जदि कौनसी क्षत हुए then it is affected to whole cells, whole body or whole organism. But जदि multicellular injury हुए ताहले कौन हुए ना it is not affected to organism. जदि यूनिसेलुलर जदि ये सेल को जदि कौन से अफेक्ट हैला तार टोटल बॉडी डेड हे ऑर्गेनिज्म डेड हे किन मल्टीसेलुलर सेल ऑर्गेनिज्म रो कौन सी सेल को जदि किछि क्षत होला ता पुनः रिपेयर हे परिबो एवं ताहा टोटल बॉडी ऊपर कौन सी क्षति पकेबो नाही. नो लेबर ऑफ डिवीजन but here labor of division is over. That means some cells similar functions and constructives are organized to tissue. So then tissue is organ. Some organ tissues are organized to form organ. Then organ system. Then whole body organism. That is called labor of divisions. Unicellular life, this lifespan is less. But here longer. Lifespan is longer. कारण ये बहुत workload पड़ा single cell ऊपरे तो उनका lifespan is less. But ये multicellular organism lifespan होची longer. So this is all about the unicellular and multicellular organism. In next class we will discuss another segment of cell. In next video we will discuss another segment of cell. Okay, thank you.